Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares wrap layout lines around corners perfectly. The tensioned joint eliminates lateral play while allowing easy angle adjustment. They're in production now, so let's go out to the shop and see how they're made. The process begins at the auto saw, where we cut billets for the saddle squares from 10-foot lengths of aluminum bar stock. The billets then make their way to one of our CNC systems, where they're precision milled. The operator inspects each part to ensure they conform to our strict tolerance. Once milling is complete, the parts head off-site to be anodized in our signature Woodpeckers Red. After they return, they're assembled before heading back to our CNC system, where the edges of the tool receive a final decking operation. This ensures that both halves of the tool are perfectly in plane with each other. Next, the parts head to the laser department, where they receive their brand graphics. Finally, the parts arrive at our shipping department, where they're packaged up and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers products, folding saddle squares are precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. With Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares, you get a precision straight edge that will wrap itself around a corner. Order yours today.